This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. With the popular Vuesta floor plan inside and a small creek from Lake Balboa behind it, you can't go wrong. Easy care wood flooring, granite counters, a bonus room below for storage, a crawlspace workshop, this house is ready to become a home to someone. The open areas make sure that you're always in on the action when family is in town, while the fireplace will keep everyone warm in the winter. Come check out this property today. Dual water heaters 2018, HVAC 2008. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.